Welcome to the spoken tutorial on grep command. In this tutorial, we will learn grep command. We will do this with the help of some examples. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux version 12.04 operating system and GNU Bash version 4.2.24. Please note, GNU Bash version 4 or above is recommended to practice this tutorial. As prerequisites, you should know basics of Linux terminal. For relevant tutorials, please visit our website, which is as shown. First, let us know about regular expressions. Regular expressions are pattern matching techniques. When we have to find out whether a pattern exists in a line, paragraph, or a file. For example, if you want to search a phone number in the telephone directory, or to find a keyword in a paragraph or a line, we use grep command. Let us move on to grep. Grep searches for one or more patterns in one or more line, paragraph, or a file. If file name is not mentioned, grep search for the patterns in the standard input. If file name is missing, grep searches for the patterns in the standard input. I will demonstrate usage of grep using a demo file called grepdemo.txt. Let us see the content of the file. This is a file that has 13 entries. Each entry has 6 fields: roll number, name, stream, marks, and stipend amount. The fields are separated by a bar which is called a delimiter. Let us see how grep works. Say we want to use grep command to see who are the students in the computer stream. For this, we have to open the terminal. So press Ctrl, Alt and T keys simultaneously on your keyboard. Now type on the terminal grep space within double quotes computers, after the double quotes space grepdemo.txt. Press enter. This would enlist those entries where stream is computers. Now compare the result with the original file. Come back to our text editor. We see that the entry for Zubin is not enlisted. Why this is so? This is because grep searched for the pattern computers with small c, while for Zubin the stream is computers with a capital C. The pattern matching is case sensitive. To make it case insensitive, we need to use the -i option with grep. Come back to our terminal. Now type grep space -i space within double quotes computers, after the double quotes space grepdemo.txt. Press enter. This will now enlist all the 4 entries. So we saw grep enlist only those lines of files that match a given pattern. We may do the reverse. It is possible to make grep enlist only those lines that do not match the pattern. For that, we have the -v option. Say we want to enlist those entries of students who have not passed. We can also store this result in another file. For this, type grep space -iv space within double quotes pass, after the double quotes space grepdemo.txt space greater than sign space not pass.txt. Press enter. To see the content of file, type cat space not pass.txt. Press enter. The output is displayed. Now at the prompt type grep space -i space within double quotes fail, after the double quotes space grepdemo.txt and press enter. This is different. This will include those students who are failed but their result is incomplete. If we want to see the line number in the file at which the enlisted entries are, we have the -n option. Let us clear the prompt. Now type grep space minus in space within double quotes fail after the double quotes space grepdemo.txt. Press enter. The line number is displayed. The patterns so far have been of single word. We may have multi-word patterns as well, but the entire pattern must be within quotes. So type grep space minus I space within double quotes Ankit space Saraf after the double quotes space grepdemo.txt. Press enter. We see that Ankit Saraf's record is displayed. We can also find patterns in multiple files. For this, type grep space minus I space within double quotes fail after the double quotes space grepdemo.txt space notpass.txt. Press enter. The output is displayed. With multiple files, grep will write the name of the file in which entry was found. grepdemo.txt, notpass.txt. These are the records from notpass.txt file and these are the records from grepdemo.txt file. Suppose we may only want to know the number of matches or count. For that, we have the -c option. So type grep space -c space within double quotes fail with a capital F after the quotes space grepdemo.txt. Press enter. This will give us the count of numbers of lines matched. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial we learned to see the content of a file, example cat file name, to list the entries of a particular stream, example grep computers, grepdemo.txt, to ignore cases, example grep -i computers, grepdemo.txt, lines that do not match the pattern, example grep -iv pass grepdemo.txt, to list the line numbers with the entries, example grep -in fail grepdemo.txt, to store the result in another file, example grep -iv pass grepdemo.txt greater than sign notpass.txt, and to know the count, example grep -c fail grepdemo.txt. As an assignment, explore some other commands like -e, plus and question mark. Watch the video available at the link shown below. It summarizes the spoken tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial Project team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials, gives certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial Project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at the link shown below. This is Ashwini Patil from IIT Bombay. Welcome to the spoken tutorial on More on grep. In this tutorial, we will learn some more on grep command through some examples. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux version 12.04 operating system, GNU Bash version 4.2.24. Please note, GNU Bash version 4 or above is recommended to practice this tutorial. As prerequisites, you should know basics of Linux terminal. You should be aware of grep. For relevant tutorials, please visit our website
which is as shown. We can match more than one patterns as well. Then we have to use the -e option. I will use the same file grepdemo.txt. Say we want to find information for those who are either in civil or electronics. We need to type on the terminal grep space -e space within double quotes electronics, after the quote space -e space within double quotes civil, after the quote space grepdemo.txt. Press enter. The output is displayed. Say you need to look into people whose title is Chaudhary. The problem is different people spell their titles in different ways. So, what is the solution? In such cases, we can use -e option with -i. Type grep space -ie space within double quotes Chaudhary CHAUDHURY, after the quote space -ie space within double quotes CHOWDHARI, after the quote space grepdemo.txt. Press enter. The output is displayed. But there can be many other ways in which we can write the names. How many -e options can we give? Obviously, there needs to be a better way, and that way is through regular expressions. A regular expression provides a concise and flexible means for matching strings of text, such as particular characters, words, or patterns of characters. There are a number of regular expression characters. Let us see them one by one. The character class. It allows us to specify a group of characters within a pair of square brackets. Only one out of this group of characters is matched. Example, ABC would mean that this regular expression matches either A or B or C. To match Chaudhary, we may type at prompt grep space -i space within double quotes CH opening square bracket AO closing square bracket opening square bracket UW closing square bracket DH opening square bracket UA closing square bracket R opening square bracket YI closing square bracket, after the double quote space grepdemo.txt. Press enter. The output is displayed. It still does not match Chaudhary with double E. If we want to specify a large range, then we write first letter dash last letter of the range. Suppose we like to match any digit, we simply write 0 to 9. One out of this group of characters is matched. The asterisk refers to 0 or more occurrences of the immediately preceding character. For example, AB asterisk can match A, AB, ABB and ABBB, etc. So, to match the student's name whose name is Meera, we type at the prompt grep space -i space within double quotes M opening square bracket EI closing square bracket asterisk RAA asterisk after the quotes space grepdemo.txt. Press enter. The output is displayed. The dot regular expression matches any one character. Say we want to search any words that are 4 letters long and starts with M. We would simply type grep space within double quotes M dot 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 space after the quote space grepdemo.txt. Press enter. The output is displayed. Here, the space within the quote is important as it would match 5 or more letter words. We may be specific about where in the line we want to search for our pattern. It may be at the beginning of the line. For that, we have the caret sign. Now, if we want to get those entries whose roll number starts with A, we know that roll is the first field in the file. We type at the prompt grep space within double quotes caret sign A after the quotes grepdemo.txt. Press enter. The output is displayed. Similarly, to match a pattern at the end of the file, we have the $sign. To find stipends between 7,000 to 8,999, we have to write grep space within double quotes opening square bracket 78 closing square bracket $sign after the quote space grepdemo.txt. Press enter. The output is displayed. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial we learned to match more than one pattern, to check a word that has different spelling, character class, the use of asterisk, to match any one character using dot, to match a pattern at the beginning of the file, to match a pattern at the end of the file. As an assignment, list those entries that are 5 letters long and starts with Y. Watch the video available at the link shown below. It summarizes the spoken tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials, gives certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at the link shown below. The script has been contributed by Anirban and Sachin. This is a
Welcome to the spoken tutorial on SET, the stream editor. In this tutorial, we will learn usage of SET command. We will do this through some examples. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux version 12.04 operating system and GNU Bash version 4.2.24. Please note, GNU Bash version 4 or above is recommended to practice this tutorial. As prerequisites, you should know basics of Linux terminal. For relevant tutorials, please visit our website, which is as shown. Let us start with an introduction to SET. SET is a stream editor. SET finds some pattern of text in a particular location of a file. It performs some display or editing functions. Editing functions like insertion, substitution, and deletion in matched text. Let us start with some example. We will see how to print using the SET command. I have a file called setdemo.txt in the home directory. Let us view its content. In this file, we have some entries like roll number, name, stream, marks, pass or fail, and the stipend amount. Now suppose we want to print the second line of the file. For this, we need to open the terminal by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T keys simultaneously on your keyboard. Now type sed space within single quotes 2p after the single quote space seddemo.txt. Press enter. Here 2 denotes the location, which is the second line. P denotes the action, which is printing. Now look at the output. It shows the entire file. But see that the second line is printed twice. This is the default behavior of action P. To only print the second line, type sed space -n space within single quotes 2p after the single quotes space seddemo.txt. Press enter. We see only the second line is printed. -n stands for silent mode, which will suppress all unnecessary output. Then we give the location in the stream that we want to edit or display. We want to select the second line. P indicates the action we want to take, that is to print the second line. And seddemo.txt is the name of the file. This is the general syntax of sed command. Now let us print the last line of the file. Let me clear the prompt. Now type sed space -n space within single quotes $p after the single quote space seddemo.txt. Press enter. We see that the last line is printed. Now come back to our text editor. Suppose we want to print the entries from 3rd to 6th. For this, we need to type on the terminal sed space -n space within single quotes 3, 6p after the single quote space seddemo.txt. Press enter. The output is displayed from the 3rd line to the 6th line. Any of the actions can be reversed by using the exclamation mark before the action. Say if we had to print all lines except from 3 to 6. We will type sed space -n space within single quotes 3, 6 exclamation mark p after the single quote space seddemo.txt. Press enter. The output is displayed. Let us switch back to our slides. Line addressing and context addressing. So far, we specified the lines in the file on which the action needs to be taken. This is known as line addressing. Address specified by the line numbers. This is one way of addressing. Another way of addressing is context addressing. Lines that contain particular context say a particular word. If we want to take actions on lines that contain a particular word, we use context addressing. Regular expressions can be used. Let us see an example. Come back to our text editor. Say we want to print those lines which have the word computers. Come back to our terminal. Now type sed space -n space within single quotes / opening square bracket small c capital C closing square bracket computers computers /p after the single quote space seddemo.txt. Press enter. We see the lines with the word computers is displayed. We write pattern within square brackets. This is to match any one or both of the characters within square brackets. When we need to match patterns, the pattern needs to be typed between front slashes. We can print it in a file as well using the W option. For this, type set space -n space within single quotes front slash opening square bracket small c capital C closing square bracket computers computers front slash W space computer underscore student dot txt after the single quote space set demo dot txt. Press enter. Now all the matching lines would be transferred to the file computer underscore student dot txt. Let us view the content. Type cat space computer underscore student dot txt. Press enter. We see the entries. We can also have patterns that we can write to different files. Let us clear the prompt. Type set space -n space -e space within single quotes front slash electronics front slash W space electro dot txt after the single quote space -e space within the single quotes front slash civil front slash W space civil dot txt after the single quote space set demo dot txt. Press enter. Here -e is used to combine multiple methods. This would create two files, electro.txt and civil.txt. To see what they contain, type cat space electro.txt. This will display the entries with the word electronics. Let us see the content of civil file. Type cat space civil.txt. Press enter. This will display the entries having the word civil. We will see some more set of commands in another tutorial. I will use the same program. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us switch back to our slides. We will summarize. In this tutorial we learned set to print using set, line addressing, context addressing. As an assignment, use the same text file setdemo.txt. Try to print records from 6th to 12th line. Watch the video available at the link shown below. It summarizes the spoken tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials, gives certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at the link shown below. This is Welcome to the spoken tutorial on more on set. In this tutorial, we will learn some more on set command through some examples. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux version 12.04 operating system, GNU Bash version 4.2.24. Please note, GNU Bash version 4 or above is recommended to practice this tutorial. As prerequisites, you should know basics of Linux terminal. You should be aware of set tool. For relevant tutorials, please visit our website, which is as shown. The major use of set is substitution, replacing some pattern in the input with something else. Let's first look at the original file setdemo.txt. Notice that the word Kumar occurs 2 times in the 4th line and once in the 6th line. If you want to replace all occurrences of Kumar with Roy, type on the terminal set space within single quotes s front slash opening square bracket small k capital K closing square bracket UMAR slash Roy slash after the single quote space setdemo.txt. Press enter. Notice the 4th line. Only the first occurrence of Kumar is changed to Roy, not the second one. 6th line had one occurrence of the word Kumar and this is replaced now. So we see only the first entry of the lines has been changed. This is because by default the first matched entry of any line is substituted. To substitute all the matched entries, we need to use the flag G option. Let me clear the prompt. Type set space within single quotes s front slash opening square bracket small k capital K closing square bracket UMAR slash Roy slash G after the single quote space setdemo.txt. Press enter. Now both entries of the 4th line are replaced. We can make multiple substitutions in one go as well. Say we want to replace the word electronics with the word electrical and civil with metallurgy in the file setdemo.txt. Let me clear the prompt. Type set space -e space within single quote s front slash electronics slash electrical slash G after the single quote space -e space within single quote s front slash civil slash metallurgy slash G after the single quote space setdemo.txt. Press enter. You can see that the words are replaced. Now we want to change the stream of Anirban from computers to mathematics. In such case, we would need to type set space within single quote front slash Anirban slash s slash computers slash mathematics slash G after the single quote space setdemo.txt. Press enter. We see that the stream is changed. Let us understand what this is. First we write set, then in single quote we write the pattern to be matched. This is Anirban. Now after the slash comes the operation. This is S, that stands for substitution, as we have already seen. Then we mention the pattern to be replaced, which is computers. Then the new word that would be substituted, which is mathematics. We can also use set to add or delete lines in the file. Say we want to select those lines which do not have stream as electronics. For that, we have the D flag. Type set space in single quote front slash electronics slash D after the single quote space setdemo.txt space greater than sign space non-electronics.txt. Press enter. To see the content, type cat space non-electronic.txt.
Say, at the start of the file, we want to add a line student information. For that, we have the I action. We need to type set space in single quotes 1I space student information after the quote space setdemo.txt. Press enter. You can see the output. In fact, we can enter multiple lines like this. Say we want to add the 2 lines, we would do it in a similar way. Along with student information, we also want to add academics in the next year. So in that case, we would write set space in single quote 1I space student information slash in 2013 after the quotes setdemo.txt. Press enter. Notice /n between the string information and 2013. /n prints 2013 in the next line after student information. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial we learned substitution, replacement and insertion. As an assignment, use the same text file setdemo.txt and try to replace or substitute name Ankit with Ashish. Watch the video available at the link shown below. It summarizes the spoken tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials, gives certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at the link shown below. The script has been contributed by Anirban and Sachin. This is Ashwini Patil from IIT Bombay.